Hello friends, I heartily welcome you all to my channel. Today I will share a face pack with you which will make your skin glowing even in winter season. By repairing your skin, you can achieve healthy and glowing skin. These treatments will assist you in closing large open pores and repairing your skin. The ingredients are very simple to take. The majority of them are already in your kitchen. Home remedies are far superior to expensive branded creams and are suitable for all skin types. So let's see how to make a pack. Kasturi Haldi, known as wild turmeric face pack. If you want winter face pack for glowing skin, then Kasturi Haldi is the best. Kasturi Haldi is a golden dust for the skin. It has antiseptic properties. It can also whiten the skin and protect it from damage. You will need a few ingredients to make this pack, including a half teaspoon wild turmeric, teaspoon gram flour known as besan, 2 teaspoons raw milk, 3 to 4 drops coconut oil, and a half teaspoon lemon juice. Mix it well, and your face pack is ready. Apply this pack to your face and neck for 15 minutes. After that, wash your face with plain water. This face pack will work miracles on your face. It helps reduce dark spots, moisturizes your skin, and improves complexion. If you like this video, then do share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end.